Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the balance on your Kroger gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in giftcards.kroger.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kroger gift cards website. Now click on the sign in/sign up button at the top right corner and then type in your email address and your password in order to log into your account. Once you are logged in and taken back into the home page, just click on the check balance option at the top section. This will then take you into the check my balance page, within which just click on the check balance option, and if you have already added this card within your account, you will directly be shown your balance. Otherwise, you will also need to enter your card credentials. After entering your card credentials and continuing forward, you will be shown the balance that is within your Kroger gift card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to check the balance of your gift cards on Kroger. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.